Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another what I've purchased on Amazon recently. Well, and by recently I mean like 3 months worth of things. Some are repeat orders and some are things that I've tried or just am now trying, and I want to tell you about them, if I like them, if I don't, and I will link everything down below for you guys. Let's get started. I have 20 items to mention, lots of stuff ranging from fitness to fashion to toddler stuff to hair, everything. Okay, let's get started. Start with like fitnessy sort of things. I've mentioned this before if you follow my vlogs or my what I eat in a days. This will come as no surprise. I love this protein. This is the ISO 100 Dynamize, I don't know. Fudge brownie is my favorite flavor. I get this on repeat order. I love this. It's 71 servings and I think it's like 70 bucks, so it's like a buck serving. It has BCAAs in it already, so that's awesome. And yeah, it's 25 grams protein and it tastes good. I like it. I mix it in with my PB Fit powdered peanut butter. So good. Another supplementy sort of thing that I always get on Amazon is Alani Nu's pre-workout. I love their pre-workout. Again, I get this on repeat. This is the rainbow candy, which is my favorite flavor. I like the sweet sort of tanginess, like that soury sort of vibe. This just helps me power through. It's 200 milligrams of caffeine. Helps me power through a workout. I take it every single morning before a workout and it helps me just stay focused and get through it. It's supposed to do energy, endurance, and give you a little bit of a pump. So I love this. One of them will last me, I only work out 5 days a week. So I take this 5 days a week. And one of these will last me a little over a month. So yeah, I love this stuff. Okay, another thing that I picked up, I bought AirPods like over a year ago, but I just would carry them by themselves and I was like, I really need to get a case. So I just wanted to get like one that had a hook on it so I can hook it onto like my water bottle or my like barbell like pad container situation. I don't like to carry a gym bag with me, so I just wanted something super simple. I love this one. I like the color of it. It's green. And it, what was I gonna say? It just is silicone. That's what I was gonna say. It's silicone, so it just kind of like pops over the top of your Apple case, and yeah, you can charge it. Everything's good. This is a different ring because I wanted a bigger one. It comes with a smaller silver one, but this one is a black one. But yeah, just super convenient. If you don't have a little case for it, you don't need anything fancy. You just need something that can hook onto stuff, and it's so easy so you don't lose it because they're not cheap. You don't want to lose them. All right, a couple different workout clothes. Again, if you follow me regularly, none of these will come as a surprise. The Hawthorne leggings have now become the Hey Nuts leggings. Who made that decision? Why did someone make that decision? I don't know, but they didn't change and I love them. I love them almost more than my Lululemon Aligns. I don't know. I love them. They're the perfect compression, thickness, softness, everything. They're just amazing. I get the size small. I got the true navy color and I love it. It's so soft. It's compressive. It doesn't give me a you know what, and yeah, they're flattering. They're super high-waisted, suck you in, and the quality is amazing. I've owned some of my leggings from this brand for, I don't know, probably a year and a half, 2 years. I wash and dry because I just don't have time to like line dry my stuff, and it holds up. No issues with the stitching. I love them. They're amazing. To go with them, I always wear these CRZ tops. These are the only tanks that I wear to the gym. They're a tank sports bra. They're built in. They do come with removable cup pads. I remove the cup pads. It's the perfect amount of like compression for like low impact. I wouldn't say you want to run in this thing. I can walk in this. I can brisk walk. I could run. Yeah, I've run like a mile in it. I'm not gonna run like super long or do a HIIT class necessarily. It's very compressive, depending on what size you get. They have worked their sizes out. I used to be a medium, now I'm a small, which is more true to size. So I would say they are true to size. This is the carbon gray. I now own, I think, every single color. I own 5 of them. I might not own every color, but I own 5 of them and I love them. They're just buttery soft, just like the material of the Hawthorne or a Lululemon tank. And yeah, I just think they're super flattering and just like cover up enough where you don't have to wear like multiple, like a tank top and, or like a crop top and a sports bra. It's more coverage than just a sports bra. So I like them. Okay, I tried a new pair of leggings though this month because Krista Horton, I think that's her name, said she hated the Hawthorne leggings because they fell down. And I was like, I don't have any issue with them falling down. So I was like, okay, well, I'll try the favorite leggings that she says she loves. So I tried Yungona? I don't know. I'll link it down below. I got them in black and I got them in the blue. The blue I got in an extra small. Here they are, they're right here. The extra small's too small for me. It gives me a bit of a camel toe. So yeah, size up in them, or like go true to size, because the website said to size I would be an extra small, but I'm definitely more of a small. I like them. They're good. They feel just like the Hawthorne leggings. They have 0 markings on them or anything. But I prefer the Hawthorns over these ones, but I'll link them down below for you. If you were not a fan of the Hawthorns, maybe you'll like those better, but I love the Hawthorne ones, or the Hey Nuts, sorry. And then these are a pair of joggers. I wear these all the time. I had them in the black and I decided to get them in the true navy. I get a size small. I will link all my sizes and everything down below for you guys. I love these for walks. I don't wear them to the gym, but I wear them for walks or just casual errands. They're really good quality. They look nice. They haven't pilled on me. I wash them, I dry them, and yeah, I love them. I will probably get another pair before the winter. They're perfect for walks. Yeah, so that is all my like fitnessy workout stuff. Let's move into some, I guess, random stuff, and then we'll move on to fashion. Okay, so I recently picked up this. This is a fabric shaver. I used it in one of my recent vlogs. I showed it on a jacket, a Zara jacket. It basically removes pilling, and I just showed it, hopefully the clip represents it, on a pair of Lululemon Align leggings. I pillified them, I guess. I don't know. You can see it just shaves and puts all the stuff in the bottom of this little compartment here. So cheap, so good. If you have a fabric couch, I wish I had this back when I had my couch, because this would have been amazing, but it works on everything and doesn't ruin the fabric. Like, I was like, oh my god, should I be using these on my $100 Lululemon Aligns? Yes, no issues at all. So happy I got this for sweaters, wool jackety sort of things, and my leggings. So good random piece of whatever investment, I guess, or not investment because it was expensive, but just in general, good buy, okay? All right, Mr. Arlo is really good with utensils. We introduced forks to him. These say 18 and up, but we introduced him about a year. These are nice because they're like kind of not like sporks, but kind of ish. These are the Nook ones. I just purchased another pack for him. He already has one pack. I purchased another one because I don't know, we lost like 2 of them, and I was like, I'm so sick of like trying to find a fork for him to eat with every night for dinner. But these are just really nice, good quality, cheap, and yeah, he likes them. So those are what I purchased. Okay. Yeah, that's all that. I purchased this guy off of Amazon. They were having like a killer sale. I think they retail for 60 bucks and I paid like 30 bucks for this. This is the Revlon blow dryer brush. I feel like everyone and their mother has talked about how good this thing is, and for good reasons. I love it. It's basically a blow dryer in a like round brush all in one. So if you are really bad at blowing out your hair with a blow dryer and a round brush, try this out. I think you'll really like it. I recently picked up this guy for a dress that I'll show you in a bit. I don't know, I've just never tried boob tape, and I thought, let me try it. I don't know, I haven't tried it. So I picked this up. This one, I'll leave, it's perfect, I don't know. But it's basically like nipple covers and then a giant roll of tape that you like tape your boobs up with, like this lady. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet because I haven't had to, but I figured it'd be nice to have it because when you need stuff like this, you just like need it, you know, and you don't have it. So I just picked it up randomly. Okay, this necklace you guys have seen me wear in like every video known to mankind. I love this necklace. It is an A necklace. It's 2 necklaces in one. It gives you, or no, it's 2 necklaces, but it comes together. Makes sense? It's that paper clip sort of style necklace. I love this. I got the A for Arlo. But yeah, it's super pretty. It gives you that layered sort of necklace look and so affordable. So I've been wearing the heck out of that. Other thing I've been wearing the heck out of is my little New York Yankees hat. I feel like these are super trendy right now. Everyone's wearing them. I'm actually from New York, so I guess I can wear it more than some people can. I don't really care. I don't believe in it. Wear whatever you want to wear, whenever you want to wear it, but I just think it's super cute. It's classic. I like to wear them on my walks. I like to wear it like on the weekends, or if I'm just like, don't want to show anyone my face. That's what I wear. I like this color. I hope they still have that color left, but I'll link something similar. If not, down below. I grabbed this bag, which I had no idea was like inspired by a designer, which one of y'all told me, but I don't keep up. But I loved the pop of green, this sort of like, I think it's called Kelly green, and the golds detailing. When like we go out for dinners or whatnot, I wear like a very simple outfit, and I like to do like a pop for my bag. And I've loved this. The chain is so heavy on it and thick. It's got that coin purse sort of opening. It does come with a bigger strap, but like a shoulder strap, but I don't like that. I think the quality of it's not as nice. They do have this in more neutral colors as well, but I love this bag. So cute. There are 2 home things that I don't have physically here to show you, but I'm gonna insert clips of. The first one being our dry erase calendar. I love this thing. For the month of November, we didn't really have that many plans, hence why there's not much on the calendar, but some months are crazy. We have back-to-back weekends full of things, weekday plans. It helps us keep organized so we don't overcommit, and also just keep on track with different things that Arlo has going on at school, doctor's appointments, all that stuff. So I find that really helpful. My mom always had one when we were in high school, and she color-coded it like by kid, whatever. It was just easy, and I love it. So I think it's super practical, and yeah, it was really affordable on Amazon, and we just keep it on the inside of our like laundry pantry room doors, so it's not like visible, but we know where it is. I love that. And then the next thing is a little potty training step thing, toilet cover, whatever, I don't know. I'll link a video here. I thought we were gonna start training Arlo to start using the potty, but honestly, his daycare doesn't start doing it until he's 2 years old. So figured like maybe we should halt that and not confuse him until he's doing it in both places, and then it'll be a really easy adjustment. So I got it a little preemptively because he's only like 19 months, but it's fine. Better to have it. I like this one though, because it is a little ladder to go up on the normal potty. Plus it like folds away and you can store it, like hang it on the wall or store it underneath the sink or something like that. So it's really convenient. So I haven't physically used it yet, but I'm excited to get him potty trained as soon as he turns 2 years old. So wish us luck. And then ending with the rest of my fashion, like clothes items. I randomly saw this dress, and I feel like I never have dresses like this when I need them. Not that I ever really need them, but I just wanted it, okay? And I wanted to see if the quality was nice, and that way if I had it, it's just in my closet, and it was really affordable. It's one of these like satin sort of like silky looking dresses. Thought it'd be really pretty for like a wedding, like a casual-ish wedding. It's not super fancy, but it's pretty. I like it. I think it fits well. It is a little bit tight. I did get a size small. You could go up, but it fits really nicely. It zippers into the back to get in and out of. It has adjustable straps. I wouldn't wear a bra with it personally, or you could wear the boob tape. There you go. But overall, it's really pretty. I love the color. It's like a greeny teal sort of color. I picked up this little shacket. It's nice. The quality isn't like amazing. It's corduroy, which I love. From the front and the outside, it's cute. And the inside, it's like cheap sort of feeling, but it's really cute. You can wear it obviously layered over a top, or you can wear it as a shirt itself. I think it's pretty. I love the tan with jeans sort of look. And then last but not least is a winter jacket that I got. I got this specifically when we were going to New York. I saw this jacket. It's like the quilted sort of look, kind of like a quilted bomber sort of thing, on Lulu's, like their Facebook ad or whatever. And I randomly searched it on Amazon, or it came on Amazon. I don't know how it happened, but it was like $30 cheaper. And I could do Amazon Prime wardrobe, where you get it, have 7 days to decide before you even have to pay for it. So I ordered a small and a medium. I kept the small. I did still oversized, which is what I wanted. It's so soft. It is so warm. It's so thick. It's cropped a little bit in the back. It doesn't get super cold in Dallas, so it'll be fine. But I love this green color, and I love the quilted sort of look to it. It's super cute, very casual jacket, and yeah, I like it. So those are all the things, all 20 things that I've recently purchased on Amazon over the last like 3 months or so. I will have everything linked down below. If you like these sort of videos and want me to continue making Amazon videos, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.